Welcome back to the CrankinBass YouTube channel. Today we're back out here on Shoals Lake. We'll be mainly targeting smallmouth bass today, but you know, we might experiment around and just see what wants to bite. Start off today on a main lake point. Throw a tuber around for the most part. Today's really not much wind, water's really clear, so I think that's throwing plastic's probably gonna be our best bet, but brother's gonna try throwing a moving bait and we'll just see what works, so catch y'all there. First little bass today. Jay's hooked up. Good fish. Fat fish. Hasn't been too long since we caught the first one. We moved out here on a little main lake point with some wind blowing on it, like you can see, and there's the first one. First keeper, anyway. Little one on a square bill. But this fish has barely got one hook on a crankbait. Take your time with it. And it's a piece of cake. 1.5 square bill right there in the face. Yeah, that's really what it is. Just such a big one. Okay, so the square bill's hot. Jay's showing me up today. I've had one bite. I haven't landed a fish yet. He's over here getting on them. Again, barely hooked. You just gotta take your time, guys. I mean, barely hooked. Another nice one. Basically back-to-back casts on a square bill. Hadn't been 3 minutes gone by in between them fish. Of course, you had to do that first. Another fish on a crankbait. This time it's on a wiggle wart though.
close. There's another bass on a wiggle wart. Boy, it's pretty. Another one on the wiggle wart. Gotta love it. That's my favorite color wiggle wart right there. The just green crawdad. You can tell that bait's had some time put on it. Those hooks have rubbed the red plumb off the belly. Got hook or rock marks all over it. But anyway, another nice fish. Throwing a crankbait. Got one on a rock crawler this time. Don't hook me in the face, please. Another fish on a crankbait.
I'm convinced I'm just
that
a
one.
complete donator. Like,
There's a smallmouth on the day.
he's just twirling.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, that's what I thought it was for sure.
Keep her on an Alabama rig, or a smallmouth today.
I knew that's a fish, dude. My line just started taking off.
Take it down. Hey, man.
They got there.
I wasn't making fun of you.
Man, I'm just happy to get
I
bit.
was just telling you.
Well, y'all have seen Jade is doing pretty good today, and it's about time I get one. I just lost one on the point we were just fishing. Got the feeling this was a lot smaller than the one I lost, but it's a fish. I'll take it.
There's finally a fish on an A-rig. It's been a minute.
You got one.
I got teeming browns.
Yep, we just expected. Got out here more towards the main lake. Wow, shocker, smallmouth.
Little guy.
He said swing. What we got out here on this head?
First cast on a jerkbait. I literally only threw it up there because my Alabama rig is drying. Ooh, ooh.
Was that moose?
Yep, I watched him come up for it. It's pretty. It's Kentucky too.
She's back.
That one though, again, I can't see the fish most of the time on the bottom, but here comes my A-rig, and then all of a sudden here they come up off the bottom. That one came up and boom. You know, I mean, that's how it's supposed to work. It's supposed to get bit whenever moose come looking. There's a fat, healthy Kentucky for you.
so bad. We caught a few fish. Jay caught solid limited bass today. Caught, what, 2 good Kentuckies, several good largemouth. Caught a few smallmouth too. Got a good variety today. I'm gonna start having to learn Jay's techniques running the front because he's over there whooping me every time we go out there. But it's a good trip overall, not bad. Little Saturday outing, you know. We'll be out there tomorrow, so y'all guys will see that there. Catch y'all then. Thanks for watching.